I am logged into the Polanyi Society website. You can tell because I have this toolbar across the top. Gives me access to the dashboard and to themes, and I can edit the site, which means this page here, if there was something wrong with it. But the problem I've been told about, I think, is on the About, Tradition, and Discovery page. So let's see whether we can find something that needs fixing here. Ah, yes. I wanted to bold the link for contacting the managing editor to make it stand out. And I didn't bold the R at the end of editor. Ugly. Well, all I have to do is come up here. When I went to a different page on the site from this is the home page, this is the site page. If we edited the site, we would be editing this page. But I left this page, and I went to a different page, and you'll notice that because it's a page that's on the site, a new option has opened up on the toolbar to edit this very page. I don't have to know its name. I don't have to know how to navigate from the dashboard. I've seen a problem on this page. I'm going to fix this page when the website lets me do so. And this is the classic editor. Okay. There's a couple of different editors that we have. One is Elementor, which I haven't used. Don't know much about. This is the classic what you see is what you get editor, and there's another one called the block editor. Now, if I was going to fix this, I could block the entire part that I want to have in bold, turn off the bold that's already there. Oh, look, that fixed it. Well, I was wrong. Come on, let's see if I can turn off the bold. Turn it off. No. It's a green link because it's a link. Yeah, I knew that. And turn the bold back on. Good. Now, I can press Control S if I would like, I don't know. I think that works in WordPress, it works in my text editor, it works in lots and lots of applications. Or I can come up here, suppose I want to preview it, make sure that my corrections are correct. How about that? Let's come on down and see. Oh, yeah. Fixed it. Well, maybe I overdid it. Now I got a big, ugly, bolded period. Who wants that? So I'm gonna, I hope, unbold the period. And now I can preview the page again. And this is gonna actually use exactly the same tab as it did before. Managing editor, unbolded period. That's better. Okay, now I'm happy. This is my preview. I come back to the edit page, which side by side. Very nice, very nice. And I'm happy, moderately happy with this change. And I'm going to update the page. Page updated, view the page. Okay, now if I view the page, I lose my edit page, although I could always come back to it by clicking on it there. But it's one final look, admire my handiwork. Factbook? What? Nah, we gotta fix that. Now that's tricky. Fixing Factbook. Dude. we're going to have to go to the dashboard to get at that. And appearance and editor, this is the path that I follow. I suppose there's always more than one way to do things. This is the footer for every page on the website. We're going to edit it and see if it's possible to... Okay, I have the impression that may have fixed it. Let's save that. And there's no preview from here. Now I want to go back to the website. Now I have to update the page myself. I have to say refresh the page. If I don't refresh the page that I was on when I'm trying to fix the footer, it would still say FAQbook. But refreshing the page shows me that the footer has been updated. Now none of these are filled out. And this is not the address of the society. But contact the web team works. That brings up my email program with a subject. And I could just start writing the web team. Dear web team, love what you've done with the site. Keep up the good work. And all the best, Marty. Okay. And I could send that. But it would just come to me and Charles and a couple other folks. So, but that's the contact link is unquestionably correct. Everything else down here is just placeholder. Plenty of room to develop something in the center. I don't know what, but we'll see. Time will tell. Thanks very much for watching this video. Appreciate your willingness to learn how to be an editor on the website, and I hope this helps.